Good evening, everyone. My name is Gravy, and welcome back to another poem. I have read a lot of poems. So many poems, I've forgotten some of them. You should never forget a poem. The boss suggested a poem for today because she said it reminded her of me. So I am going to read the poem and we will see if it's like me. This poem is called O to Be by Richard Edwards. Oh, to be an eagle and to swoop down from a peak with the golden sunlight flashing from the fierce hook of my beak. Oh, to be an eagle and to terrify the sky with a beat of wings like thunder and a wild barbaric cry. Oh, but why keep dreaming? I must learn to be myself, said the rubber duckling sadly on its soapy bathroom shelf. That poem does feel a bit like me. It's a rubber duck that wants to be an eagle, but he can't. He's not just a duck, he's a rubber duck. That's so sad. But I guess the rubber duck is happy being himself, and that makes me happy too. So happy I want to cry. I see why the boss wanted me to read this poem. A lot of things make me cry, but I really enjoy the sad, sweet cry. And this poem feels sad and sweet. She knows me so well. That is all for this week's poem. Stay tuned next week for another poem. I may not be a rubber duck, but I think I too would like to be an eagle. I don't think eagles cry as much. That poor rubber duck!